the suspicion of everyone to make her into the red herring. We call it a red herring, right? That you confuse the audience thinking that it's her, that it's actually the little girl. To push it a little further, I wanted to find a signature visual for Madre Cecilia that would make her look intriguing. Anong chismosa sa English? We have one foreigner guy, so I need to translate this in English. Anong chismosa, intriguera,
gossiper.
Huh?
Gossiper.
To make her look like a gossiper, like she's malicious. So I chose 3 scenes for the Whisper. Just so right before we reveal Angela, the audience are locked into, well, dito talaga yung putang inang ang Cecilia na yan.